Super, thank you. Welcome back, everyone. This is Robert at Custodian File. Appreciate you tuning in. We have something unusual today. Today is, by the way, is 2/28/25. So this lady in North Carolina, Christine, she was just recording the airspace, trying to convince her husband that something's going on. These dragons are real. And she sends Robert over there on undercover UT undercover ET in the UK, and he sends this to me. It just is just twisting my mind. All I could do is put it out there. This is the interpolation, of course. So it's about a 5-minute video. It's like she puts it on a tripod, and says something like "okay," and walks away. And at the last 10 seconds of the video, and by the way, there were a lot of dragons on the video, but on the last 10 seconds, this dragon flies by, and obviously with precise synchronicity, you can hear this voice. And that's where it gets really mercurial, where what are we hearing here? I can only tell you what I think I'm hearing. And if you want to listen to it 10 times, that's fine, because I've listened to it 20 times. I just find this phenomenon odd, that this voice appears to me, just to me, I'm not an audio expert. If there's any audio sound engineers, and I know there are, there's some viewers out there, I think this is coming in on a sub-channel, just like if this was coming in on a 98.0, the sub-channel is like 98.1, something like that. It's hard to say, but I would have just blown this off. But why did this phenomenon happen exactly with the synchronicity of a dragon flying by? And again, here's the interpolation that makes it a lot easier. Again, North Carolina. I didn't know North Carolina had palm trees. Gee, I got to get caught up on my studies. So you kind of know as much as I do. So listen to it, re-listen to it. I mean, I think I'm hearing a guy's voice. I think I'm hearing one more chance or one more step. But it's really open to interpretation. It's just somewhat concerning that out of all the thousands of videos, this is really a first. So we're picking up some type of background. You can call it background noise. What you're hearing, by the way, is a lawnmower or a weed whacker. Just mind-boggling. We shouldn't be hearing anything. The weed whacker should be primary and should stamp out everything. And the only way you're going to get another audio in there, I guess, is with a sub-channel. Again, it's not my expertise. Please share what you think. I'll play it another, 10, 20 times and leave a comment. But I wanted to get this out to you. Again, this was around February 25, I guess, like 3 days ago. And I have the original file if somebody wants the original file. But this pretty much tells the whole story. So please share your feedback. If you like what you see, please remember to like, subscribe, comment. We're just going to make this a short video, and I'll put together some new ones right after this. But custodianfile@gmail if you have your own dragon video. Eager to hear from you. Okay, take care. Thank you so much.